Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making sweet potato pies. The ingredients that we're going to need today are evaporated milk, cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice, vanilla extract, sugar, unsalted butter, eggs, flour, pie crust, and also sweet potatoes. I have all my ingredients measured out. So we're going to need 3 large sweet potatoes, 2 large eggs at room temperature, 3/4 cup of evaporated milk, 1 1/4 cup of sugar, 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, which we are going to melt, 1/8 teaspoon of allspice, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg. Also, we have our 9-inch pie crust. And the last ingredient is 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, which will be optional. Okay guys, I have some water in a pot boiling. I already rinsed off my sweet potatoes, so all we're going to do is go ahead and add them in. All you want to do now is place your lid over top, and we're going to let them simmer for 1 hour and 20 minutes. Okay guys, our sweet potatoes are now done. All you have to do is stick a fork in it. It goes all the way in. You know they're done. Now you want to get a large bowl with cold ice water in it. And all we're going to do is add our sweet potatoes to it. Okay guys, now we're going to let our sweet potatoes cool down for 10 to 15 minutes. Now after 10 minutes, all you want to do is go ahead and peel your skin off. Okay guys, now you want to put them into a large bowl. I'm just going to get my spatula and just break it down a little bit. No one likes strings in their sweet potato pie, so we're going to take our hand mixer and we're going to remove them. Okay guys, I'm going to go in with my hand mixer on medium speed, and we're going to begin to remove the strings. Okay guys, as you can see, the strings are on the blades, so all I'm going to do is rinse it, and I'm going to repeat the process 6 more times. Okay, now we're going to go in with our 2 eggs, and we're just going to mix that until it's well combined. Now we're going to add in our 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and we're going to mix that as well. Now all I'm going to do is take my spatula and just pull everything from around the sides of the bowl to the center. Next, you want to add in your evaporated milk. And we're going to mix until it's well combined. We're going to take our spatula one more time, and we're going to go and pull everything into the center. Now we can add our sugar. And you're going to mix it until it's well combined. We're going to take our spatula, pull everything in from the edges of the bowl. Now you want to add in the vanilla extract, your cinnamon, your nutmeg, and also your allspice. We're going to mix until well combined. Okay guys, take your spatula again, pull everything to the center. And guys, you want to make sure that you use the right amount of your spices in here, because if you use too much of allspice or the nutmeg, it'll overpower the flavor. So now, this is optional. I'm going to add 1/4 cup of flour. It's all-purpose flour, and this is going to act as a thickening agent for the pie mixture. We're going to mix until well combined. Once your pie filling is mixed thoroughly, now we can start to fill our pie crust. You want to set your oven to 350 degrees. Okay guys, my pies are ready to go into the oven. Make sure you fill your pie crust nice and even. So we're going to bake them at 350 degrees for 1 hour and 10 minutes. Okay guys, so our sweet potato pies are now done. So I'm going to put them in the refrigerator for about 2 hours, but usually you want to let them sit overnight so they can become nice and firm. But I'll see you back here in a couple hours. Okay guys, so here we have it, our homemade sweet potato pie. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.